Hello guys, good morning. I'm happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and today I'm gonna make a diptyque, and I already used this color combination. I did a triptych and it turned out amazing. I have two leftover canvases and also my paint is left over. So it's time to use it up and I can't wait what will happen here. Because this pouring is fun, isn't it? There is always an element of surprise. And this time, yeah, I just have my colors and let's see. Alright guys, so these are two old canvases and yeah, why not reuse them with my leftover paint from another pour. Let me see. What will I do? I think I will start here with some black and then go over like this. So yeah, I didn't have a plan. Well, I got this gorgeous pink, so let's go with that here and here. Let's place them closer together, like this. I'll add some black here. Well, here we go. I got some copper here. Like that, some white. I'm just gonna play a bit around. Got my gold. And I have gray. I don't know if that's gonna be great here, but let's see. Okay, so let me put here some black. Like that. And the last of my pink. All right. So here we go. Yeah, let's start blowing this out. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? Let me torch this. Let me fix the sides here, because here the sides are white still. Yeah, this one is super nice. Love that lacing here. What a fun color combination is this. Okay, Guys, I will bring you up for a close-up. I really do like this. It's such a color combination, but yeah, it's cool, you know? The black and the metallics, they always work. So the gray that I use, it almost looks like it's silver. Yeah, it's fun. Cute deep teak. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching and I hope to catch you next time. Bye bye.